You want to see how I made this? Keep watching! As I said before, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please forgive me, I have been having a cold all week, so my voice sounds a little weird right now. So I start off with a 3/4 inch brush, angled brush to be exact, and my Amazon split cake from Global. And I start off with making his head. Now his lower chin is a little bit below his upper lip, so to speak. Yeah, I have to say that because it looks really odd otherwise. Well, we need it for his teeth. So I started creating this as more as an eye design. It more became a half face design after all, but yeah. I'm sorry for the lighting. In editing I just my camera picked up other lighting than I wanted to, so yeah, here it's back to normal. I pretty much only use black and white, well, and this split cake, so T-Rex have small arms, so don't make their arms too big. Looks really odd, I think. So I made it with the split cake, and then while I was making it I was like, maybe I should have used just white or black, or just maybe even a smaller brush would be better. Well, yeah, now I already filmed it, edited it. I can't change it anymore, so. Okay, so we use white for his eye. You make it a bit in a point because he has to look fierce. I mean, it's a T-Rex. He has to look scary. Now, not so much scary, but yeah, he has to look dangerous. And while I have white on my brush anyway, I also make the teeth. And the claws. Yes, they have claws. Also some highlighting has to be done. Okay, so I lied about only using black and white and this split cake. I forgot I use stenciling with a dark green and a BAM stencil. Did I use the wrong green for this? No, I didn't use the wrong green for this. It's a dark green from Superstar. Underneath I will place down everything I've used in this video with the exact numbers and everything. Ah, here comes the black. I really like using black for outlining. I know it's a bit harsh and I know other people have different opinions about it, but I do like to use black for outlining. His mouth is a little wiggly and it's a bit in a smile like I'm going to eat you. Now you can make him a bit, how do you say, a bit more scarier by using blood around his teeth like he ate something. Sometimes children really like that and I just do that because, yeah, it's fun. Yeah, so I'm not discussing the entire outline. I mean, I know you get it right. Okay, we need to drink as well. Okay, this I like most. It's a teal outline. It makes my T-Rex pop even more. I really like it. If you don't like it, you can say it in the comments. I don't mind. But I like it. Now I don't always outline on the job because, well, I don't always have time. There might be a long line or the child is too wiggly, so just for the YouTube purpose and simply because I really like doing this, I just placed it on.
So, here he is. Here is my scary dinosaur, T-Rex, whatever. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and use the bell for notifications for future videos. Hopefully see you next time, and bye bye!